Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new feature on LinkedIn that allows you to automatically update your appearance settings, specifically how to enable dark mode on your PC. This is a great way to enhance your viewing experience, especially if you prefer a darker interface. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your LinkedIn account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page. Next, click on the Me icon. This icon typically features your profile picture and is your gateway to personal settings. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to focus on the Account Preferences section. Click on it to reveal more options related to your account settings. Under Display, you will find an option for dark mode. Click on this to proceed. Here, you'll see several choices regarding how you want LinkedIn to appear. To enable dark mode automatically based on your device settings, select Device Settings. This option allows LinkedIn to adapt its display according to the theme set on your computer. If your operating system is set to dark mode, LinkedIn will follow suit and provide a more visually comfortable experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the automatic update of your appearance on LinkedIn. Whether you're working late into the night or just prefer a darker aesthetic, this feature can help reduce eye strain and make your browsing experience more enjoyable. Remember to revisit these settings anytime you want to switch between light and dark modes, or adjust any other preferences. Thank you for joining me today. Happy networking on LinkedIn.